Hi and welcome to Electric Radiators Direct, the home of electric heating. Today I'll be reviewing one of our best-selling electric radiators, the Ecostrad IQ Ceramic. The review will be broken down into 6 sections: design, installation, heating technology, the control panel, smart control, and my favourite, motion sensor mode. So before we jump in, please give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more hot content. Let's get into it. Right, so one of the first things you'll notice about the IQ Ceramic is its slender, slimline design, which not only looks the part, but is perfect for those wanting a space-saving solution. And besides its unobtrusiveness, this radiator comes in a stunning smooth white finish, and a little bird tells me there's a new anthracite version which will be available soon, so keep an eye on electricradiatorsdirect.co.uk, as there's something to suit a range of interiors. Next up, installation. Okay, so the IQ Ceramic comes with all the fixtures needed for easy fitting. For wall mounting, simply place the template in the correct position on your wall. It's a really handy guide to ensure that you drill the holes in the right places for the brackets. From that point, just screw the brackets into the wall and mount the radiator into place. Job done. Having said that, now is a good time to mention hardwiring. So if you're planning on installing multiple IQ ceramics in your home, your system should be hardwired by an electrician. But fear not, this is a straightforward job for a professional. The beauty of the IQ Ceramic is that there is an option to convert it to a freestanding radiator should you need it. All you have to do is purchase some Ecostrad IQ Ceramic feet and then attach them onto the heater. After that, just plug it in, switch it on, and boom, ready for use. Honestly, you can't get much more flexible than that. So next up is heating technology. In this section, I'll be looking at how good the IQ Ceramic is at providing effective warmth. Well, the short answer, let me tell you, it doesn't disappoint. You see, this radiator is built with heat-retentive ceramic plates that absorb all the warmth generated by the radiator. As a result, the radiator continues emitting heat long after it's been turned off, so you don't have to use as much energy to keep your room warm and toasty. And like all electric radiators, the IQ Ceramic uses a combination of convection and radiation to supply warmth. This means that the radiator heats up the surrounding air as well as heating people and objects directly, providing a deeper level of warmth that is also super responsive and fast acting. It's safe to say that when it comes to warmth, this radiator really delivers. Right, let's take a minute to consider the control panel, because these things are an important feature of any radiator, especially if you prefer manual adjustment. So the control panel on the IQ Ceramic is neatly recessed into the top of the heater. The clear LCD screen is also touch sensitive, so you can effortlessly change temperature, select different heat levels, and unlock super cool features like open window detection. Now that we've covered the control panel, let's talk about control in a more general sense. When it comes to managing the IQ Ceramic, you really are talking about 3 key tools. You've got 24/7 programming, Wi-Fi app-enabled connectivity, and voice control. So let's start with the 24/7 programming. This allows you to program the IQ Ceramic for each hour of the day, 7 days a week. Now, you can do this by using the control panel or the Ecostrad ecosystem app. In this instance, I chose the app and it was so easy to schedule my heating to the minute. All you have to do is download Ecostrad's ecosystem app, and from there you can start adjusting your IQ Ceramic even when you're away from home. And this is so handy because, let's face it, we've all left our heating on at some point. So picture it, you're at work and you realise you've made this error. So what are you going to do about it? Simple. Just whip out your smartphone and use the app to turn your radiator off. Easy. The same goes for if you're on your way home a bit earlier than usual. You get out your phone, turn the heating on, and it'll be lovely and toasty as soon as you walk through the door. It's the simple pleasures in life. Another really cool feature that comes with the IQ Ceramic is voice control. So to access this super modern function, just connect your Amazon Alexa or Google Home Assistant to the IQ Ceramic via the app on your smartphone. After that, you can start adjusting your heating by using snappy voice commands. And all the phrases you need are in the manual, so you don't have to make them up yourself. Turn on the heat, set to cool, and even set the heater to 21 degrees. All work for me, and my goodness, this radiator sure does respond quickly. Really impressive stuff. Now, I personally love this feature because not only is it a cool techie mod con, it also makes heat management effortless. And when it comes to heating, the easier the better, right? One of the biggest USPs of the Ecostrad IQ Ceramic is the motion sensor mode. Now, this is by far the most tech-savvy aspect of this electric radiator. It's built with a sensor inside the heater, which activates when you turn the sensor mode on. Once switched on, the radiator will only produce warmth when it detects movement, so like when you enter a room, for example. And this works both ways. When you leave the room, the IQ Ceramic automatically switches itself off. And because the heater is managing itself rather than relying on manual adjustment, you're less likely to waste energy heating up empty rooms. What a bonus. Finally, we've got open window detection, a handy energy-saving feature that senses any sudden drop in temperature and temporarily pauses your heating. So if you happen to leave a door or a window open, the radiator reacts to the conditions and ultimately prevents you from wasting energy or heat. Just another cool feature adding to the superior efficiency of the IQ Ceramic. And that's a wrap. If you like what you see, the Ecostrad IQ Ceramic is available to buy online exclusively at electricradiatorsdirect.co.uk. Just click the link in the description box below. And don't forget to leave a comment, give this video a like, and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you later.